Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on real quick and show you that I got some hair mail from Black Friday. So I'm going to show you what I got. I'm not doing a review. It's after work. My eyes are still a little bit sore, but I want to show you what I will be reviewing, so I'm super excited. This one is Tessa. She is in the color SF1426 number 6. I believe that's what it is, and that is Sun-Kissed Rooted. So I will show you what she looks like here in just a second. The other one that I got was a new style called Veronica, and Veronica is in SF1026 Buttered Toast. So Veronica is a longer layered style. She looks like that. Isn't she cute? Kind of like a longer Tara, or maybe a little bit like Misha, but maybe not quite as layered as Misha. And should we just take a sneak peek? Let's do that. Ooh, I love new hair. Oh, she's all buckled in here, so I won't really be able to take her out. I'll save that for the unboxing, but she's all bobby pinned in there, as you can see. So, basic cap. What does she have here? Looks like a regular nape, not an extended nape. Velcro closures, some permit tees in there. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. All right, and then I'm gonna show you the picture. Oh, so I should tell you, I got these on sale. I do not have my glasses on. Veronica, I paid $42 and change for. And Tessa, I paid $38.99 for. I mean, seriously. I'm so excited. So Tessa looks really cute. She reminds me of a Deirdre. And she is a new style. Is she a VersaFiber? Hold on. I'm sorry, you guys. That's Tessa. Okay, she's a rooted Euro color. She is not VersaFiber. So not heat safe, but isn't she cute? So let's just take a peek at her. I guess I ordered the Sun-Kissed Rooted, so that's new for me. I've never done that before. So let's just sneak peek. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. I'm gonna take her out because she looks really cute. The curls. Ooh. Oh, she is gonna be fun. And so that, I think that's why I ordered the Sun-Kissed Rooted. Oh my gosh. A lot like Deirdre. Charlie's Angels. So you can see the rooting. Oh, doesn't she look cute? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do her review. Oh, she's cute. So I think the Sun-Kissed, because it's rooted, definitely looks more like a buttered toast. As you can see, I am wearing honey, and I have all the rooting on this one. This is Valentina is what I'm wearing. That's what I wore to work today. So, yeah, she's going to be fun. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what's coming up. I just have to get the time to do some filming here. My eyes are better. My treatment went well. I may not have to have my left eye done next time. I have to go on January 5th or 6th, one of those days. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed, and if you guys want to pray for me that at least maybe I only have to have my right eye done, that would be fantastic. It's really hard when they do both of them at the same time. I lucked out this time that I didn't get the red blotches, and today is the first day that I put on makeup. So feeling pretty good with that. They're a little bit watery, but not bad. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and sign off, but I just wanted to show you guys some new hair. I also have new hair coming again tomorrow. Colten, are you going to say hi? Are you sure? I got a gingerbread. I got a gingerbread making kit for Colten. Oh, so he's just he's just gonna have the frosting, huh? He's just gonna have the frosting.
I'm already done.
Are you all done? Grandma's gonna come see. So I'm gonna go see his gingerbread making kit, and I'll be back.
Guys.
And I'll be back very soon. See you later.